I wanted to catch a video on the do a video on my actually running the e-bike, because someone left a comment asking about it. As here's the e-bike. I'm just gonna say that I think the range is around 20 to 25 miles. It's not great. If you want to make sure that you have some battery, and that's with doing like pedaling and stuff like that. On top of using pedal assist, but to the extent that you hardly feel it at all. So it's like pedaling but without really pedaling, but you use it because it helps the motor. So it takes no energy really, but yeah, that's with, I'd say, a high level of pedal assist. If you go with just throttle and you go up hills and stuff, like the range just goes right down. It just kills the battery. And I think the top speed is around 35 miles per hour. I'll try and do that now as I'm going on this trip. But yeah, other than that, it's got a lock, add some extra weight, and like a loop lock in there, so I can lock up the bike and yeah, ride it in.
Alright, so as you can see here, I got this footage literally by sticking a smartphone on my to my hat and putting the hat on, so it looks completely ridiculous. Since I don't have an action cam like a GoPro or anything like that. But yeah, I mean, all the footage here you can see is 20 miles an hour at the moment. I managed to, I'm doing pedal assist. When I say high level pedal assist, I mean putting the pedal assist on a high, assist mode, right? So that I, don't have to do much pedaling to go quickly. Yeah, but you can actually go quicker. I never use a throttle, but if I do use a throttle, for whatever reason, if I'm feeling really lazy or whatever, then you can go up to 35 miles per hour. But yeah, I don't really do that. So yeah, I actually did record some other footage, but my phone battery died whilst I was recording it, so I had to do it again with a more full battery, with a fuller battery, and I took the electronic image stabilization off, in the hope that it wouldn't destroy the battery. But there you have it. This is it. This is me just basically doing light pedaling and going pretty quickly around the place, and it's very useful. It's a nice little bike. It's really good for just doing quick journeys into town or whatever, to get something from the supermarket or whatever it might be. So yeah, I totally recommend it if you especially if you convert your bike to an electric bike like I have. In a way, it's kind of better than actually buying like a really nice kind of manufactured e-bike, just because it makes it less kind of it just makes it, people were less willing to, it makes it less interesting to steal, basically. I think there's some it depends on what kind of area you live in. Maybe you live in a really safe area, it doesn't make a difference, but for me, I'm in kind of in London, and it's just a conversion, so it doesn't look like a designer or a kind of highly desirable item that someone might want to steal. So you can lock it up like I do with a normal lock, and then with a couple of loop locks. So you don't need to like lug around like a huge kind of chain or whatever to make sure that no one ever steals it. At least that's what I think. Anyway, yep. So I hope you like the video and find it useful. So please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you watch my other videos, I'm going to start making more videos on my van conversion. I've been really busy lately, so I haven't been able to do it recently, but I'm going to get on that again. So yeah, thanks for watching, and cheers.